still trying to get used to seeing Corvettes with the hood open in the back.
Yeah, that's just weird.
Eventually I'll get used to it, but still.
Yeah.
So anyways, we're here tonight with Myles. We got a transmission issue fixed, we think.
Yep.
We got the, we're trying a new exhaust out today without the little diffuser plug, whatever it is. And the air temperature is a little bit drier. So we'll see what it runs tonight. Got the tires aired down a little bit more.
Got new trans cooler.
Got the new transmission cooler on. So we'll just see, you know, hopefully not break anything, but maybe be able to break into more of a 14.6. I think our best 14.7, right? Yeah. So, neat cars right there. You got a Demon up here. You got a LS Dog, it looks like. Yeah. I got like a 5-inch exhaust coming out from the right here at the head of the wheel.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a good night. Plus we can see a little bit better right now.
Yeah.
Daylight savings time, you know.
Yep.
Yeah, we're excited to see what happens. Yeah, I didn't get much of a one, but we'll give it a try. Let's try it dry. Not sure what happened, but it wasn't very happy. Had kind of a cough sputter there. Might have been the end of the torque converter, I'm not sure. He didn't sound super duper happy though. Didn't like coming off of that stall, so not a super good time. Shifting good, but we might just have an issue with that stall now.
It uses the burner, gosh. Weird. This will not spin. Yeah. Looks good. Yeah. Oh, and we got a Z. Of course, we got the Z2, so that's nice.
Yeah. And there's a green wrap C8 up there too.
Yeah. Pretty good crowd. I like it. Yeah.
Cool. Nice.
Yeah.
All right, we got one more run we're gonna try to make. We did get our best run ever with Myles on the second run.
Yeah.
The track was so slick, I didn't realize it. The tires spun. I thought the torque converter gave up the ghost. Yeah. We ran again, and we ran a 14.4. So, very, very cool.
Yeah.
We'll see if they at least stay consistent.
Exactly.
Talk a little bit more time off the reaction time.
Yeah. Amazing arrow though. So we got the OG Mustang here. So this is the guy's only here for his like a third time. He used to do like car shows and stuff. So we figured, hey, might as well come out to the drag strip and see what his old show car can do. And so pretty cool. Always cool to meet those guys. So guy with the Mustang, he gets to race the Z. That Mustang looks really good though, so very nice looking car.
Again, let's see what it does. Definitely need to hook up the tires a little bit more. Spun again for whatever reason. Gotta figure out how to warm them up. That's so much nicer knowing it's not the torque converter giving up the ghost. Kind of a bummer though. Well, I was hoping to do better. Oh wow. At least we got one good run in. We got the third run in, so nothing's broken. So hey, that's good. Oh, I think he's broken though. Should have checked to see if they needed a hand. Alright, so not great. It looks like it spun a whole lot. I think I launched at about 2. So apparently that's a little bit much, or either I need to air down or feather it. I don't know what. But actually I do know. I need to get a little bit better burn out there to warm it up. So it had cooled a little bit. So all those little variables. But we're going home in one piece. that's what we're happy about.
Hey, with this, I mean, you get
That
pretty
third
good.
run was crazy. Wasn't
Yeah.
it? It's nice to know the Turk converter wasn't the Turk. The Turk.
The Turk. Ooh,
Wow.
Turks and queso?
Yeah. No, it's Turk and Caicos, not queso. Turks and Turks and queso. You find a cruise with
Okay.
Turks and queso. It's gonna be chips, salsa, and probably some lime, and maybe one of those special swords.
Yeah, one of the special.
But anyways.
Ooh, nice, yeah.
So it's 9:07.
Yeah.
Pretty good night, I think, at the old Orlando Speed World. I'm kind
Yeah.
of hoarse from talking over all the cars.
Yeah, that's always
That's
fun.
neat people, though.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
Talked to the guy running the Duramax truck, kind of the first time, just having fun.
Yep.
Talked to the guy running the new Explorer ST with
For
the
all-wheel
3-liter.
drive.
Yeah, all-wheel drive, 3-liter,
Mhm.
Turbo 6, running 11s.
Yeah, nice.
Impressive. And he's got new, like, mid-range turbos ordered.
Yeah.
So I
think
think
they're
there's
putting some
3
power down.
C8s running tonight, or just 2?
Mm,
Just 2.
yeah,
There's 3 here.
There were
but
3
just
on
2.
premise. Yeah.
I never saw any of their runs. I just thought we were going to run one, but I ended up running
Yeah.
this neat old guy's. I think it was third run,
Yeah.
third time out. Okay, true amounts. With
Yeah.
his 65, I think it was 66, 67 Mustang converter.
Yeah.
So, but what you're all waiting for is that Myles did a great job. We're driving home. It seems
Yeah.
like the tweaking of the transmission, that'll be a video eventually.
Yeah.
It's redoing a plug harness and so forth, has fixed the transmission issue. We did the new fluid change, and it seems like the torque converter is working like it should. So,
Yeah.
but with the new addition of a transmission tune from Tuner Chris, and then the new exhaust, for whatever reason, my third launch was stalled to 2,000, and we did a nice reaction time.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful.
0.077
Yeah.
against the G8, so we got off the line good. That'll be neat to see
Yeah.
that part of the video. But then it just spun,
Yeah.
and spun, and spun.
There
I
was
let
no
out of it. It was
traction.
still spinning,
Yeah.
but I can't. I need to figure out my sequence for a good burnout, and I'm
Yeah.
not figuring it out for whatever
I mean,
reason.
it sounds
I think
like you
I
got the
one more
RPM
chunk.
right, but for some reason they won't break
It's not
loose.
cutting loose.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure. And the third run here, I put in a second and tried to break it loose, but the new Silverado 2020 Silverado brakes
Yeah.
were working really good, and that's a nice mod.
Yeah.
That worked really good coming down.
Oh, at the end, yeah.
Oh,
I'm sure.
Before, I felt like you really had
Yeah.
to stand into it, but this way, it was like, oh, I'm slowing down, and I feel great about it. How about you?
Yeah.
It felt really good. So that was a good investment for this platform of trucks.
Yeah. With how much weight's behind it, too.
Yeah, exactly. But it feels better balanced. You still know you're driving 6,000 pounds,
Oh, yeah.
but it feels more dialed in.
Yeah.
So, which is nice. But fun night, learned a lot, and at least we beat a record.
Exactly, yeah.
We had 3 decent runs.
Mm-hmm.
In that first run, it just spun so bad.
Yeah.
And I thought, no, I'm going to have to put a torque converter in. So thanks, a shout out to Transmission Depot as well.
Yeah.
Maybe you can hashtag them or something.
Oh, yeah.
But thankfully, the old 4L60 Stage 2 is still alive.
I have a question.
Yeah.
What is this truck beside you doing?
I don't know, does he want to race or is he turning that way?
I don't know. That was just weird. Just like he poked right up. I was like, okay, what you doing there?
He doesn't know. He doesn't know. How come he doesn't know? Bye-bye. I'm not sure how fast this car was going. So.
Yeah.
But anyways, fun light.
Yep.
Everything is together still. It sounds so much better without the exhaust plug.
Yeah.
Sounds
Yep.
good. I'm happy with the exhaust. Thankfully, that didn't seem to pull as much power as we thought.
Yeah.
So, but anyways, thanks for watching.
Exactly.
It's fun. Let us know if you like these videos, and if you want to see us go to track more. We're probably going to go anyways. But
Exactly. But,
if you
yeah.
like it, let us know. We'll talk to you later.
Bye-bye.